44 days ago, another war started in the world. Yes, another war, the second war between Israel and Hamas. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, November the 20th, 2023. Not so good news today because we have only two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the Medium Sudoku. We have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you that we have no extra puzzles. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. Yeah, in the weekend on Sunday I've solved the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. So I will do this with the Thursday edition after these two regular puzzles. Okay, the first puzzle is a medium Sudoku. Here, medium Sudoku number 7479. Here, 7479. 7479. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one. Come on. I have a problem with this puzzle. Come on. Okay. Well, let me okay, got you. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudokus. In addition, it will be a 2 stars puzzle, a 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Okay. We have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the in the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 2, 4, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, and look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this column. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. 3, 7, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, let me mark those. 3 and a 5. 7. 1. Need a 1 here. Alright, need a 4 here. Need a 7 here. And I need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there. We see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And the 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. See 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. Need a 4 here. I need a 9. 3. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 4 in this column. So no 4 there. The only place left for 4 should be here. Need a 4 here. Alright. Need a 5 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Need an 8 here. Need a 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column and the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the middle row. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 3, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 in first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 and a 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers to 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third column of 4 number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Okay. And now 9 and the 3. And I have 3 and a 1. How about 3, 1 and a 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 1. Come on. We have all the 6's, and all the 6's are used. I can see, yeah, digit number 2, number 6. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Come on. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Need a 3 here. 1, 3. And a 5. 1, 3, 5. That means him 1, but it should be 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Yep. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there we see a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay. 9 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Come on. 3 and 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on last column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the row below, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 4, number 1. Then. 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 and 5, we have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above from that row. Only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next on that column, and the only place left for the 3 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 in this column, last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for 9 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 final numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished. 30 minutes. Well. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. And we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Well, in the evening I will do the rest of the puzzles of the first day edition. But let me finish the Jigsaw Sudoku. So see you in a minute. Until then, bye bye for now.